Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys a new hack to get unlimited points on Fetch Rewards app in 2026. So here's the Fetch Rewards app. I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, I have 12,000 points right now. But when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited points. So I'm going to press unlock. It's going to add the Fetch Rewards points, and then I'm going to have unlimited points. So as you can see, guys, it is loading right now. So we're just going to give it a second, and then we should have unlimited points. So it's like verifying the device and everything. So let's see if it works. All right, it says finalized. So now the points should start rising. So let's see if it goes up. And yo, guys, look at that. My Fetch Rewards points are actually increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for your device so you can get unlimited points. So go to your browser, go to matrixmods.com, and then we're going to look for Fetch Rewards. So press on it, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification we have to do. So this is the last step. So you need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it so you can unlock the Fetch Rewards mod. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here. And as you can see at the end, it says missing files. So basically we need to download 2 of these apps. So you can see we got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. Match to Win says down and reach level 11. Mo Casino. So for instance, like I could do this Travel Town one, which says install and reach level 9. So it just takes me to the app store. I just got to play it until I'm level 9. So it's like a game. So that's pretty easy, guys. But yeah, just make sure you do a couple of these. You're going to be good to go. So then I'll go back to the list and do some more. So match to win, whatever. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you do 2 of them. And if you press help, you got the video there so you can watch that. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you need to get unlimited Fetch Rewards points for free, now you know the method. So this is super crazy. So make sure you go to settings and you got background app refresh on and you're going to be all set. But yeah, this is super awesome. So if you guys never had Fetch Rewards points before, now you know the secret guide to get free points, as you can see. So there's anti-ban in here, so you're not going to get banned or anything. But yeah, I mean, Fetch Rewards sucks, honestly, but when you can add unlimited points, it becomes way better. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get unlimited points on Fetch Rewards in 2026. So be sure to try it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Just make sure you got that background refresh on right here. You're going to be all set, guys. So super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out, guys. If you have no Fetch Rewards points, this is the new method to add them to your account. So this is so crazy, guys. It's updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because this is real. It's just a lot of people don't know about it. So that's why I made the video, so you guys can get free Fetch Rewards points 2026. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to add unlimited points. I can't really talk about this anymore. I just got to let you know about it. But yes, super crazy. So be sure to try it out if you want to add unlimited points to your Fetch Rewards account. So super cool. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions. You're going to be all set. So that's crazy, guys. It actually works. So 999 Fetch Rewards points coming your way. Super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. And it totally works, guys. No ban. So as you can see, we got unlimited points. So that's so cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe and everything if you want to see more videos like this. But it is working, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and everything, just so we can get more people educated about this. And yeah, peace out, guys.